I opening here now. So take a right method go audio contributing. Got in a lot in the past week. So I'm gonna be the chapter time. And it be a shop player. Be an allow share for more and allow jack. Ba jan about let shortly. Monday go on a day share. Mala magwa. Monday go day share medum teed. Da look. Anamala yana ideology ben chama. Welcome all, welcome once. So Mongo ready share ko kuiga to chira de like the past week and a half or maybe 2 weeks. I don't know. Chalos ke time taga to mon talada. My advice there walk on chimana con and title la chala nyam gwa mani un shu goro no goro be a land and one shit goro be enemy be reaction by jakaji. Ko especially millaround or allow and a goro no reaction kaji. Ki kwe uni intimidation or be be intimidate kamelade. So a lot of manadara waka yana ideology ya ka video garadani PG Machar ka music da misale take a music dire cha kon chakne ka kuya wheelchair defend ko ran musician la na la ran wen mon ka lo shira ram kel ba dire jaka me so tell me di la tan long ko chen ne me lade first and foremost Ella Fiji, she a good musician. It's not the best musician I know. So as a musician, could struggle because try dan kagan very to want to very talented. Ti lono language. So therefore music the charge along rain. So Misha way me the joke me don't get a yoke or lat kaja. Don't again intention the mail or they would walk on a cocaine. There is support the joke. But you could be enemy we use. Go ben intimidate kaja. Allow day you and time is enemy lo la tool me be use ko ba con intimidate kaja and music PG. So the opposite of men led enemy and they con ko la is no very would they con ignore completely. Chame chana brown chana ignore. Ko the worst thing you want to do will be enemy to be a come and go. So she can't lead she can't galing no PG. Tell like a meaning at all, right? So therefore, why right now we have to give them the attention go to point. So they lot of challenge ignore because more can ignore and we talk. She enemy is useful. The enemy leave alone. So therefore, the music the barrier rejanica barrier. So you would have nowhere to go. So this is how you destroy your enemy. You deny them the attention that they seek. And you give them the opposite. So to me, he's a struggling musician. Take a video the meton Michalel take tax a lot of music is hagort. Take a bachelor degree in music. So to me, my dear brother, should to expose Jin Corrado. Co music mugor nija. Versus music madap nijika jela talented. Chicken da part. Malamugua marasanya rolu. Music as a natural talent. Chicken da park and a music movie gorge. For once, and we should go to music to have a bachelor degree. Is it a music producing to be a producer? It is a music composer. What is it that you should work horror? Take a bachelor degree on. Ko point music, I didn't care how to sing dual gore. But they didn't care how to produce music because gore will be tuned to music what you produce can understand. So most of the music think what produce we want, especially music nara. Quaka produce 442 hertz. So you have to be able to know those hertz in order to be produced. So to me a music magor nija my dear brother. She de park and it naturally. A musician very. So they laru and chana attention and take away PG shana come attention and go. Because it's not worth it. That's a very important thing with that concalat. Especially when high blood con benjawi nial kuhide. It's not worth it, Shema. So they can jogo, let's ignore this young man, way, and abroad, will ignore, we kill his radio of America. You know, they a lot of the worst revenge, and they're gonna come, I will be ignore completely. She can't pay attention. Especially Millarana and Nija, ever can't hurt Camilla there. Chwana ja come attention, Chana ja dakaja. Come and let it be Sulu. Chabilla lat. Ko we did a man am chakon kainyal. Ko she attention she jug a PG so she did mudong chenyok camera to seek attention canwari. So you don't give your enemy mongora kaji. You deny them that. Ko be business the biokula toll. So they con jogo a loikon quite ignore PG. That's the way Banaja destroy kaja. Chwaraja kwepalaja. Ignore him completely. Because more can ignore completely, she enemy be used because tell me about anymore, ko enemy go no me be riam dan banjawi ni albana bangak. A reason he use a PG, because no PG no can deed. No, he's not a good musician, I'm sorry to say. He's bad. And that's why in the beginning, tell us support me, Mr. Jacanuary, because deed chicken go. Talk on get too many talented musicians to God no to like a PG 100%. Chijan. So therefore, chabu compete kake. So chamush up your guru and ko and do the share gorge, what will go to don't you spend an age to go. Master, bachelor degree, Juba University. This thing crack me. So anyway, so you think Jiramagor music, Mukanad up like gift. Did not bang by even support. So to me, they don't make sense to me. I didn't even know about them until did age a chaka queer wheel. A general quadrilla LinkedIn. So they lara which one time done with KPG. Please ignore PG. Again, the greatest revenge Chabana come. Mokona ignore Chiguantara be used. Ko Guantar go on away bakon Jakaja. The same thing ke Ukun. The so-called Dr. Ukun. Ignore Ukun. Please. Let's not give Ukun an attention and gore. Canadian talk why you make an enemy to get high blood pressure high. Chana jakamke. Ignore them is the greatest revenge. Ngaji janakarada. Michirana jaga by enemy, they can ignore. La liwa karwada. So shana business niki and kill. Chana ka muike business ne. Ike woko kon kai ni alishika kon betray wala. No, leave them alone. It's not worth it. So it's not worth it. Chana ka ignore shaman chana radio America of brown ball chana janak. So you go share in Fiji, I will mute you for 30 days. That's what I do to native share to share it all. Because they don't make sense. Second point in the Luakon. There are Leah. Take a native one, she can call me alka video no take shot too. Say you go this AI guaka jagger, one. Cause somebody can create anything. There and Banjab Benjong do look be rim the Bawanya. Kadong she talk. Leah, we must accept situation at a content. No, will be Leah better one. So they lara who Michikon in let the name. A ye con shaka nyala long cochuana partner too much con this is part of millet corner. So palna ye con pen. Shu guanteru bello, charlat ke video michaladane kapaidoc. Never show your enemy your weakness. We no duelo dang road do whatever you gotta do, but you ben your guanteru on live. Maybe you can wish your gag, that's fine. But over ben kalai be ben we. Chiguanteru she come and go. So Mala yen idealisha ben shen ignore ye, but good enough message never get across. So taka to one the cocky and the ball lat. They jogo yin chia maran and where walk on a gua, knock a year. So, but again, no one a ye con ja kainel, ke intimidation tactic, not a latke, guantar. Let's not do that. Alalia banaliu. Sometimes the way to deal with a problem do will be accepting women to name do is it is what it is. But work hard ko win in a view of us. Kobala work in your favor. Lea banatetin, near con baka George. So she can't belong to J.K. Banaway. Coco need to cool it to Guam, it can call need to Kuala Nanake and woo, then I call a look, then I uplift. Move con what duck. Chabugwa can neck on the cocaine binabat. So they con jugu point is simple. Mugur guanter ne reaction kaji, don't give it to them. Misha picture no mucha ne kunturi shika liu just accepted the liya batatin. Before one freedom danjak, the liya batatin. Third thing, remember, she live in America. Chana recommend me conquer. Where you win more, look around. Look around. Chico conquer luta. So live need to one. Chana you make her anchor. Regato content is permanent. There will come a time, me bathok. So go reju titona biyan kati, mission chiloy randa jack. Remember those. Tell a reg a buck a peck. Tell a melad horar. Everything they're gonna talk, go big a talk. So me take a mission and Michelle Lloyd to jet Ramachir a jimmer. Mute them. Cause you to cocaine to jack sugar benin. Especially when you have weak heart, get you high blood pressure, sugar belong to handle. Don't listen or don't watch it. Pale. So they can jogo, I think work on a go. Channel your own and become stay on the positive side. I know it's hard to do. But the problem kuriak do. Kuya la ni chiang ke shari ni chiang la rebe ni je. This is the problem. Jeno kwa na la look at ne stay on the positive side. Don't look at what is too much. Many what could be. Keep your mind on what could be. Chejan, a general na malarka ka joku bi biriak du bi kula net bi kula stop kula liu. Komu we attention will keep on it too much but take more ka barodare. So nga jeri ka to kon tindi de shi matot. But again the first time I've been ready to read ka. Chejan the first time. So we will be okay. Again chanaji taran chanake ignore ko bukon man let kona banaja kula long. So please forget PG from today on. Chung we all lodge and music and video and make chana belot. Because first of all, Shanyan gagwaja too. So they laro chana got con to go to get music to go chana to promote. But I'm over again the grain, Magoro but reaction get out of us chana ignore completely. Shall I chat she video method? And let's do our best to focus on what could be. What good can we create out of this problem? As Nathan Nath. Shall I chat a quarter of the yoba, Beata Kamal. Thank you. Bye.